Welcome to the beautiful Coral Cottage, located on the outskirts of Negril, in the lovely island paradise of Jamaica. This villa, with its very own private oceanfront, is the ideal location for your romantic or family vacation. As you enter the grounds, you'll find yourself surrounded by a tropical plant and flower garden that covers much of the property. Among the striking botanicals are several open areas that can be used for entertaining, including a gazebo and lounging hammocks that hang among the larger trees, perfect for some private rest and relaxation. This 3-story bed and breakfast villa sleeps up to 9 persons in its 4 master bedrooms, each equipped with a toilet and shower. And each room is either air-conditioned or has installed ceiling fans for comfort. The furniture in each room is beautifully made and hand-carved by local artisans. In the living area upstairs, guests will find a stairway that leads to a very private upstairs balcony, perfect for sunbathing and enjoying the spectacular views. The upstairs rooms also lead out onto a private veranda that is complemented by a beautiful view of the ocean and grounds. From the second-floor veranda and the third-floor balcony, there is a lovely view of the ocean. In the evening, you can enjoy a colorful Jamaican sunset, as the sun sets directly in view from the veranda. To ensure that you relax during your stay, Coral Cottage offers catering for all meals, or you have the option of preparing your own meals in our fully equipped kitchen. Our one-of-a-kind staff are also available to ensure that you have the best vacation on the island, and are there to offer advice and suggestions on activities and adventures, so you can tailor your vacation to meet all of your needs and desires. For indoor entertainment, the villa is equipped to provide you with a homey, comfortable, and luxury experience while on your dream vacation. There is a dining area with seating for 4 in the upstairs kitchen, and a gazebo downstairs that can provide seating for bigger parties. For a more romantic setting, you can enjoy your meal on the veranda while watching the sunset or taking in the sounds of the ocean. After watching the sunset, unwind with a cold beverage at our on-site reggae bar as you plan your next day's adventure. You can listen to music using the stereo system, which can be heard from the 2nd-story veranda, 3rd-story balcony, in the garden gazebo, and at our on-site reggae bar. Further, Coral Cottage provides Wi-Fi internet and a television with DVD player in each of the rooms. DVDs are available with a variety of kid-friendly selections among the titles. The villa is located just steps from the ocean, with a short ladder leading down to the water. Located in the bay of a rural fishing village, Coral Cottage is the perfect backdrop for a relaxing and off-the-beaten-path type of vacation. Just 20 minutes outside of Negril, one of the biggest tourist areas on the island. There, visitors can shop and check out restaurants or take in the local nightlife. Adventure can also be found a short walk from the villa. Whether it is at the local mineral springs, ziplining, and riding ATVs at the Jam West Adventure Park, relaxing on the nearby white sand beaches, or just outside the house on our ocean front. The water outside the villa is so clear that you can see fish from the shore. Sports and adventure activities include cycling, deep-sea fishing, snorkeling, and swimming. Some leisure activities include beachcombing, shelling, shopping, sightseeing, or simply walking through the beautiful Jamaican countryside. We also provide snorkeling equipment for those who want to check out the underwater sights. And that's just the beginning of the adventures you're sure to have when you stay at our stunning ocean villa. Come create lifetime memories and experience the wonders of Jamaica at Coral Cottage.